Alright my friends, so in the last video we have understand what does a web element mean, and essentially or basically a website, it's a group of web elements. Okay, so web element, it is any content that the user can see and interact with. However, in this video we are gonna understand what does web element really mean, right? So if we open another slide, here we have a user, which is any user that can use our website, and here we have a developer, right? So a web element is really a concept or a term that can be used between, let's say, users, between consumers. Okay, so for example, a user can see this button or this image, then he will say or she will say that this is a web element, right? But in our case, we are as a developers, we want to use different terms, right? So we have a web element is equal to HTML tag. So once again, web elements are or website, it is a collection of web elements. So a website is a collection of HTML tags, right? Because we have learned previously that a web element essentially or basically it is a element inside our website, right? And in order for us to add that element to our website, then we have to use this thing right here, or this concept, which is tags, HTML tags. So this is really important. Now I want you from this video, and I want to forget the term web element and instead use HTML tag instead of that. So once again, in this video we have learned that HTML tags are the web elements that we are gonna use to create a website. But how we are gonna do that, that's what we are gonna understand in the next video, where we are gonna explain how to create your first HTML tag. See you in that one.